Hi, I'm Alex Pollak. Welcome to Update Plus, our monthly take on the events that have moved markets. Well, there was a global intake of breath as investors everywhere waited for Nvidia's fourth quarter results and for CEO Jensen Huang and Colette Kress to sing their earnings call duet. Honestly, the song felt like a smash hit. Nvidia's Q4 saw $68.1 billion of revenue, up 73% year on year. $62 billion from its data center business. Q1 guidance is $78 billion, beating estimates by the largest amount in 2 years, crushing estimates despite assuming no data center revenue from China. Full year revenue hit $216 billion. That's an 8-fold increase on where it was just a few years ago. And yet, even after Jensen had once again sung his heart out, Nvidia's stock dropped in the aftermarket and dropped again in the next day's trading. Nvidia is one of the largest positions in the portfolios we manage. It is hard to imagine how the company could have done better in the quarter and the full year. The view from the team of analysts at Loftus has been and is that AI will disrupt and then change the way the world works and plays. The new AI-charged world is built on Nvidia's GPUs. Jensen merely confirmed what the market had already expected, which is why the market barely reacted. The fund's core investments over the past few years are shown in this chart behind me in some detail. For disclosure, these are the winning positions in AI. The chart should not be taken as more than it is. Overall performance can only be judged in reviews accompanied by all relevant data. But we see TSMC, Broadcom, Microsoft, Nvidia, Arista Networks, as well as AMD and Samsung have created value for LP unit holders. We hold Nvidia at a solid weight today because its chips are bedrock to the still developing AI revolution. But AI chip valuations are trading at a discount because the market believes the growth in spending is not sustainable, despite the semi-supply chain companies touting visibility through to 29. So, we know that from time to time performance can and will stall, as it is doing now, with stock markets testing and retesting AI highs. But the 10-year view? Well, the fund first invested in Nvidia just 10 years ago when the first glimpses of AI hoved into view. It was a correct call. AI is and will be a significant factor going forward, but the challenge is sizing the opportunity and delivering this to investors. This has been Update Plus. I'm Alex Pollak. See you next time.